Shoot the ball, Gio. Layo ba? Ay, layo daw tayo. Doon tayo. Baka butin tayo. We just to be safe for my man. Sabi kasi daw ni Gio, ingatan natin sila eh.
That's great. They get to be safe and we get to be barrels.
Alright? Okay, this is how it's gonna be.
Charlie Cruz, no good.
Charlie, bumaba ka na dyan! Hindi ka marunong! Okay, let's go. Ganun lang din sandali. Who's the first contestant? Gio's gonna do it, right? The whole thing.
All right, Gio.
So whoever shoots the most long wins.
Now I've only seen 2 girls fall out of the window doing this,
Oh yeah, all right.
so don't worry. Just make sure you hold on
You're
tight.
scaring Patricia right now.
So you're competing to win. Make sure you really go for it.
There you go. Kiss a date with Gio tonight.
Oh, who would want that?
Let's go, Gio. I think someone is ready to win.
All you gotta do is make one. Okay. All right.
How was it?
How was it? How was it?
So amazing.
Why you're still shaking? Why are you shaking?
Just excited.
Look what that is. Wow, Gio got you excited. That's a shock.
That doesn't happen a lot.
Was it really hard to shoot while he was drifting like that? No? Just a bad shot.
Yeah. Gio, you ready?
Gio is preoccupied.
Baba got in there. Get him. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you had one that just kind of rolled up your hand.